everyone, in today's video I am going to talk about one of my favorite mascaras lately. This is the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. Now if you haven't heard about this before, I don't know what rock you're hiding under, but you need to get out and try this. I think this is one of the best affordable drugstore mascara that there is, and I'm going to quickly show you how it works and looks on me, and I know for a fact that you are going to change your mind about it. So this is what my lashes look like without any mascara on. Let me show you just what one coat of this mascara does. To apply the mascara, I like to take it onto the base of my lashes like so, and then wiggle it upwards, and with just one coat I get such dramatic lashes. And the reason being, this wand just changes everything. So basically it is a hourglass shaped wand that gives in a lot of volume, and the amount of bristles in the wand is more than 200. And if you compare that with any other mascara wand, you will notice that they only have fewer than or 100 bristles, but with this you get 200 plus bristles. And what sets this one apart is that the bristles are actually wavy. So what that does is that it really holds on to that balmy, beautiful mascara formula, and then with just one coat it just leaves in a very even layer of mascara. And you can already see the difference it makes. Like, the difference is phenomenal. I'm just turning my head in all directions so that you guys can see. This mascara is mind-blowingly good, especially for the price, and I truly believe that this is one of the best drugstore mascaras out there. This is waterproof and it does not really crumble throughout the day at all. Like, it is going to stay like this throughout the day. And I'm actually going to give you guys like a wear test. I will drop in and show you how this looks like after say 5 or 6 hours. It's been like 4 to 5 hours since you last saw me, and my lashes look exactly the same. There's no flaking, nothing. Like, the rest of my makeup is completely gone. I actually took a nap, and because of the amazing waterproof formula, my lashes like literally stay curled throughout. Like, no other mascara makes my lashes stay curled. I have very straight lashes, so like, if it's not a good waterproof formula, my lashes won't stay curled and fluttery like the way they are right now with this. I'm going to apply the mascara on my other eye now so that you can see the entire transformation. I also love that it does not leave my lashes feeling too heavy. The formula contains castor oil, which is really good. It's amazing for your lashes. It helps in nourishing it. It also has rose oil that helps in the growth of your lashes, and it also has cornflower extracts. So what that does is that it softens your lashes and keeps it hydrated. So this is how it looks after I have applied mascara on both my lashes. Literally takes my lashes to paradise. I love this mascara, and for the price, this is absolutely amazing. I also like to take whatever's left onto my eyebrows. So that's it for this video. I really hope you guys try out this mascara. I want each one of you to try it because this is so good and it is totally worth it. And I'm going to link it down below in case you want to get your hands on it. And I freaking love it. I know I'm hyping it up so much because it is so good. And I know that you guys are going to love it as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys are enjoying my videos so far, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Before I go though, please make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any new videos I put out, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!